Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about how to secure your connections in Google Chrome by enabling a powerful feature called Always Use Secure Connections. This feature helps protect your data by ensuring you only connect to secure websites and warns you about unsafe ones. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly discuss why secure connections are important. When you browse the web, your data can be intercepted, especially on unsecured websites that use HTTP instead of HTTPS. HTTPS encrypts your data, making it much harder for hackers to steal sensitive information like passwords or credit card details. Enabling Always Use Secure Connections in Chrome adds an extra layer of protection to your browsing experience. First, open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Privacy and Security section on the left-hand side. Now, scroll down until you see the Security section. Here, you'll find an option called Always Use Secure Connections. Toggle this switch to turn it on. When enabled, Chrome will automatically try to use a secure HTTPS connection for every website you visit. If a site doesn't support HTTPS, Chrome will warn you before proceeding. Below the toggle, you'll see an option to warn you about insecure public and private sites. This is especially useful if you frequently use public Wi-Fi networks, which are often less secure. By enabling this, Chrome will alert you if you're about to visit an unsafe website, giving you the chance to back out and protect your data. And that's it. By enabling Always Use Secure Connections in Google Chrome, you're taking a big step toward protecting your online privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.